Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Uppercut Styling Powder. First, make sure your hair is completely dry and clean. Any moisture or existing product can hinder the powder's effectiveness. Give the bottle a gentle shake to ensure the powder is evenly distributed and ready for application. This simple preparation sets the stage for achieving your desired look with maximum hold and volume. Now, let's apply the powder. Gently sprinkle a small amount directly onto the roots of your hair. Concentrate on the areas where you want to achieve the most volume and texture. For most short to medium hairstyles, about 1 to 2 gentle shakes should be sufficient. Remember, a little goes a long way with this powerful product, so start sparingly and add more if needed. Once applied, use your fingertips to work the powder into your hair, distributing it evenly from roots to ends. This activates the product, providing incredible grip and hold. Lift and shape your hair to create your desired volume and texture. You'll notice an instant boost and a natural, matte finish. Feel free to experiment with different styles to find what works best for you. To maximize your style, you can reapply a very small amount for touch-ups throughout the day if needed, especially after activities. Just be careful not to overapply, as this can make your hair feel heavy. Uppercut Styling Powder is designed to wash out easily with shampoo, leaving no residue. Enjoy your effortlessly styled hair with long-lasting hold and a natural look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.